Good morning, students. Welcome back to Biology classroom once again. Due to illness, I was not able to make the videos. That's why from today I will start from capillaries. So look at the book. I hope all of you watched the last video. Capillaries. Capillaries are the extremely thin blood vessels which connect arteries to veins. So actually, what is the main function of capillaries? Capillaries is a bonding junction by which arteries and veins connect each other. Thus, capillaries are always present in between the arteries and veins in our body. Capillaries, also called blood capillaries, are present throughout our body. Every cell of the body is near a capillary because capillary actually help to connect all these cells. That's why each cell is near to a capillary. The capillaries have extremely thin walls which allow substances to pass from blood into blood cells. Basically, capillaries have extremely thin wall by which normally different types of nutrients, substance and oxygen also easily pass from blood through blood cells and also from body cells into blood. The oxygenated blood from arteries enters into capillaries in all the parts of the body. The oxygenated blood from arteries enter into capillaries. Underline करो इसके नीचे. The oxygenated blood, I mean the blood which is rich in oxygen. The oxygenated blood from arteries enters into capillaries in all the parts of the body. The various dissolved substances present in the blood, like food and oxygen, pass into body cells through the thin walls of the capillaries. So normally, which kind of food we intake and oxygen, these two things basically carried by capillaries from cell to cell. At the same time, the waste products like carbon dioxide form in the body cells enter into blood through the thin walls of capillaries. तो नॉर्मली कैपिलरीज का थिन वॉल के द्वारा नॉर्मली हर सेल में जो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड प्रोड्यूस हो रहा है वो वापस आके ब्लड के साथ घुल मिल जाता है. नाउ हियर इज अ डिफरेंस बिटवीन आर्टरीज एंड वेन्स. दिस डिफरेंस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. Arteries. The artery helps in carrying blood from the heart to different parts of the body. First point is very important. Basically, artery help करता है blood को carry करने में. कहाँ से? Heart to different parts of the body. I mean, artery help to carry the blood from heart to different parts of the body. Same way, veins collect the blood from the different parts of the body and bring it back to the heart. मतलब पूरा बॉडी पार्ट से निकाल के ये ब्लड को लेके आता है कहाँ पे? हार्ट पे. आर्टरीज आर थिक वॉल्ड एंड स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड इलास्टिक. वेन्स आर arteries are thick walled and strong and elastic. Veins are thin walled and non-elastic. Arteries do not have valves, but veins have valves because valves actually help to prevent the backflow of blood. क्योंकि वेन जो है डीऑक्सीनेटेड ब्लड को कैरी करके लाता है कहाँ पे? हार्ट पे. अगर वो इम्प्योर ब्लड नॉर्मली प्योर ब्लड के साथ मिल जाता है तो प्रॉब्लम होगा. इस दौरान वेन में वाल्व मौजूद है जो एक्चुअली हेल्प करता है इम्प्योर ब्लड को बैक फ्लो होने में. All the arteries except for the pulmonary artery carry oxygenated blood. All the veins except pulmonary veins carry deoxygenated blood. The blood flow with high pressure with the arteries. This point is very important. First point, and this point is very important. The blood flow with high pressure within the arteries. Normally arteries जो blood carry करता है, it can flow very high pressure. The blood flows with less pressure in the veins. Arteries have a narrow lumen. Veins have a wide lumen. So here are 5 to 6 differences and you have to learn only 3. Now, test your understandings. Here is some true false. First one is pulmonary veins carries deoxygenated blood from the heart to the lungs. It will be false because pulmonary vein carries oxygenated blood. Veins are the greenish blue tube-like structure present under our skin. True. Aorta carries blood from the different body parts back to the heart. Basically, aorta, the largest and the main artery, which actually carry the blood from heart to different body parts. That's why it will false. The cells that help fight against infection in our body called plasma. False. The red color of RBC is due to the carbon dioxide. False. Platelets help in the clotting of blood after a cut or an injury. Answer will be true. So student, hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.